Alright guys, so for the discussion that you are assigned, you have to take a recipe for pancakes. And you need to find half of the servings that is allotted. So since we know that this serves 12 people and we know we're trying to serve 6, that means that we have to take half of each of the fractions. So in order for us to do that, I'll give you an example. We are going to do the 3 tablespoons of butter melted. I'm going to create a fraction with the 3 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to say, okay, well, 3 tablespoons of butter can be written as 3/1. And we need to divide that into 2 pieces. And the reason we want to divide it into 2 pieces, remember, is because we are trying to serve half of the people. So in order for us to divide, remember that we talked about in class, we need to keep, change, flip, or multiply by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So here, this would then turn to, I'm just changing the color, this would turn to 3/1 times 1/2, because again, we're flipping that second fraction. And then we multiply the fractions. So 3 times 1 would be 3 over 1 times 2, which is 2. And then I need to make sure that I'm specific with my answer. Just like when you put in your answer into the discussion into Canvas, you're going to need to be specific. So here, I'm literally going to type in or write in 3/2. Why is there number 3? There we go. 3/2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, so now that we have that, we also have to see that this right here, this is 3/2, so I can even simplify that even more and convert it to an improper, or to, excuse me, to a mixed fraction. So to convert it to a mixed fraction, remember we use division. So in order for me to do that, I'm going to create a division problem where 3, my numerator, would be inside my box, 2 would be on the outside, and I'm going to divide. Well, how many times does 2 go into 3? That's 1 time. And then I'm going to subtract 2, and I get 1 as my denominator. So 1, that's going to be my mixed number. And as I go around this loop, I see that the remainder right here, that's going to be my numerator. And then the final number outside the box, that's going to be the denominator. So I can actually make this 1 1/2 tablespoons butter to be a little bit more accurate.